Good morning. Hello world, how you doing? I hope so you're keeping well. It's beautiful Saturday morning here in Bali, Indonesia. I just had my morning coffee. Nice coffee here, really nice, strong. And little croissant in Tanjung Sari Hotel in Sanur, one of my favorite places for morning coffee. One of few favorite places, obviously not only this one. And this is how does it look, my morning routine. Since I moved to Bali, I promised myself every single morning I will try to having a morning coffee somewhere by the beach. Of course, if I have a time, sometimes don't have it, so I have a coffee by the Tamblingan Street somewhere in Sanur, and trying to enjoy at least 1 hour peacefully drinking my coffee, having my little croissant or pastry, something like that for breakfast, because I just want to have a light breakfast every morning. Beautiful day. Its sky was a little bit better this morning, however suddenly it's cloudy right now. It's still very quiet, people just enjoying their morning walk, morning exercises, or morning coffee like other people. Some people having different routines every morning, like many people, especially my colleagues who are also doing the YouTube and living in Bali, they having like morning surfing or morning yoga or morning meditations. Some of you guys may be starting with the morning cigarette or morning espresso, or maybe from a glass of vodka or something like that. I know somebody who doing really like that, having a glass of vodka for the morning breakfast, or other things maybe. So yeah, everybody have a different lifestyle. This is a little bit of my lifestyle, how does it look like. And today I want to show you a little bit how does it look like at morning in Sanur, by this part of Sanur. Kids playing by the water, fishing something. Anyway, using the opportunity, today is Saturday morning, and also Winnie uploaded the brand new video on her Winnie foodie channel, Makan Cantik. For everyone who doesn't subscribe yet, you could come and check her channel out, give her some support, subscribe, comment as you are coming. Many of you enjoyed last video, however was a lot of suggestions as we could do it this channel, she could do it this channel in English, and we listen you guys and we make this another episode in English, fully in English. We're talking also about the one traditional Balinese food today, also vegan at the same time. So everyone who are interested, check this out, her channel every Saturday, so only once a week, so everybody have a full week to watch the video. So this is the beautiful beach, belongs to the Tanjung Sari Hotel, one of the oldest and legendary hotels in Bali, in Sanur especially. I used to vlog here many times, so however I had a coffee, I just sit over here, and this is the brand new promenade, people enjoying their morning, and I'm gonna show you a little bit around how does it look today. Beautiful morning in Bali, in Sanur. Girls cycling, people walking. I got even few requests to show you this area. Maybe not that busy as you could potentially expect, but also the weather is slightly not that good. And this is the Besaki Hotel in Sanur. Seems like it's open, but less fortunate because nobody is here for breakfast to compare to the previous place where I was. So yeah, what I can say, also this is like memorial trees. There are so many memorial plates like this one in memory of Jack Irons. So Sanur is very special place for many of you guys, and also for me. I decided to live in Sanur already for a longer while. Many people so watching us, or maybe even from my people who have at the same age, also foreigners who decide to move to Bali, they deciding to living in Canggu or Seminyak. But me and my wife, we decide to live in Sanur. Even my wife is coming from, it's close to Canggu, Tabanan. But Sanur is special for us. And this is the Gria Santrian Hotel by morning. Little bit more people around here. Hello. Happy people, friendly people. Hotel is finally open, which is also very good. Gria Santrian for everyone who missing this place. Morning vibes in Sanur, totally different to compare to the other parts of Bali. You cannot find the vibe like this everywhere. Just stop to show you a little bit without walking. How does it look like? And what vibe, atmosphere you can feel at morning in Sanur if you would like to come here for holidays, or maybe decide to stay here for a longer while, or even to decide to live here. You can decide, and you can find a vibe like this every morning. And also beautiful beach. Sometimes you can see Mount Agung over there somewhere. Another place belongs to the Gria Santrian. Actually, it's called Villa Shanti. This area was closed for a very long time, but also many of you are familiar with this place. So here we go, guys. This is for you. Little bit memorial stroll in Sanur today. Also, the new promenade is already finished. Meanwhile, Sanur life at morning. So calm here. Kids playing. Actually, they are fishing. The hotel is somewhere there where I started. In the background you can see still Grand Inam, little bit of volcano Mount Agung over there. I'm going back actually, little short stroll today. However, I want to show you a little bit how does it look inside of the Tanjung Sari hotel, because it's always worth to show this hotel. This is not endorsement for them, this is more likely appreciation, as this hotel still exists and nothing really has changed since so many years.
I've heard a story, I've heard it said, I've come to believe that love is a bet. Sometimes you win and sometimes you lose, and sometimes it calls you right in the move. Come to my table, come to my bed, go easy my hunger, easy my head, bringing me fire, bringing me water, taking me high, taking me down.
Guys, that's how does it look like my morning routine. I'm trying to don't vlog too often at morning, but yesterday's I do the live stream and I was so tired, so that's why I had to make it this morning vlog. I hope so you enjoyed. Also, let me know in the comment section what would you like to see on the next live stream, and also would you like to see it on Friday or maybe Saturday, depends of how many of you have more time during the each day. Also join to the Winnie's channel. Meanwhile, beautiful place here in Sanur. Every morning I'm trying to have a little walk and peacefully think without, you know, like a rush. Also today's vlog is a little bit slow. I hope so wasn't too boring for you for some reason. And well, I really like this place, really. Not many places like this actually like really doesn't make it super modern, even it's 2022 already. Anyway, thank you so much for today's, and as always I will see you on next one. See ya, take care.